Happy Friday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. As we go into our Friday night, those pesky clouds clearing out, and our Saturday, watching this cold front sitting off to our west. It's going to be the focal point for rain and thunderstorms developing. Now, the front doesn't pass through till Sunday, but I do expect this to help touch off some rounds of thunderstorms, and in particular, as we get into our Saturday evening, potential there for some of those storms to be a little feisty. We'll talk more about that here. Plan for humid conditions Saturday. Dew points in that sticky category pretty much all day long, and that will of course be fuel for any of those storms to feed off of. Potential there for some heavy downpours, and we're going to have to keep an eye out for that risk for flash flooding. This is the excessive rainfall outlook Saturday. Now we're in that lowest level, highlighting parts of the area. Any storms could produce heavy rain, potential for localized flooding on the table here Saturday, in addition to that risk for strong storms. This is the severe outlook. We're sitting in that level 2 of 5. Scattered strong to severe storms expected within the region. Primary threat will be storms capable of severe wind gusts, pockets of large hail. Now the tornado threat is low but not zero. We're going to need to watch these very closely, and the timing that those fire is more so into the second half of the day. So your Friday evening and overnight is going to be quiet and dry. The clouds that are out there clear out. We start our Saturday off lots of sun and in the upper 60s. Now we'll look for clouds bubbling up during the afternoon as temperatures warm toward the upper 80s, but the threat for storms really starts to increase as we get closer to those evening hours. So by about 4 o'clock, what we'll start watching for are storms developing off to our northwest and then moving in our direction. So anytime after 4 p.m., you need to make sure you're especially weather alert then, as any of these thunderstorms could be a little feisty for us. They'll work through the valley as we go into the evening. Now, even though Futurecast shows a little break there, we're not done with that chance for storms just yet. Midnight picking up on a few more, and that threat is there through late evening as well for a couple of stronger storms. As the temperatures start to cool overnight, I do expect the severe threat to come down. However, we'll still look for a little wet weather around on our Sunday as well. While it may start off dry, that cold front I showed you will finally start pushing through. It's going to touch off additional spotty showers and thunderstorms. Now, we'll see a lot of clouds around. The timing of this front has sped up a little bit, so Sunday not going to be as warm as it had looked yesterday, but I still expect it to be pretty humid through the first part of the day. As we go into the afternoon and that front starts pushing through, we'll see showers associated with that and a pretty quick drop in our temperatures here. By Sunday evening, it turns much cooler, and that's what we'll be looking for as we kick off the work week on Monday. Cool temperatures, but dry weather returns with some sun. So 68 overnight into your Saturday, warm and humid night. Dry weather during the morning, and we'll look for those temps to start rising fast. The afternoon high, 88 degrees. Now again, that threat for storms is especially as we head closer to the evening. Primarily after 4 p.m., we'll be watching for thunderstorms that could be feisty for us, and you'll want to stay weather alert. Into Saturday night, still warm and humid, and then Sunday I expect to still have that humidity in place the first half of the day. That cold front that pushes through will bring more scattered downpours and storms, and then as we get into the afternoon, those temps, they start dropping. So we'll get up into the 70s, but by the evening, we should be down in the 50s as we make our way to a low of about 45 degrees by Monday morning. It's a cooler day, becoming partly sunny. We'll have dry weather Tuesday with some sun as we get back into the 70s. Next round of storms, we'll be looking for that as we get into Wednesday, and an unsettled pattern for the end of the week with showers and storms in the forecast Thursday and rain possible again on Friday.